What is up, guys? It is your girl Say in the back with a brand new day. Today we have a couple of things to do, but first I'm starting out with this book, and secondly I'm washing clothes, and thirdly I have to go shopping, and fourthly I have to go look at some apartments and submit some mail. So without further ado, if you are an old subscriber and you're coming back to watch my videos again, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button down below. Please hit that like button down below. Show my love, show my videos some appreciation, please. And please comment down what you think that you want to see next. If you are a new watcher of my channel, thank you. Welcome to my channel. I'm Say, and every day I mostly vlog, and we do get ready with me. Right now my son is sleeping, so I felt the need to wake up before him. Well, I'm glad that I did wake up before him. I think it was dreaming. So I just finished my reading, and if you guys didn't know, I actually read this book daily, and it hasn't been every single day. I probably missed like a couple of days, but I've always caught back up. It's called The Bible in 52 Weeks. It's a year-long Bible study for women. It has practical situations where you have to pray about, the reading that you just read, and then you can answer something. And you could write in the book. Let me show you. You could write in the book. And it just has really good teachings that apply to your life. I just really thank God for just his word. If anybody is grateful for his word, just write in the comment section down below and say what you're grateful for. I think my son is up. I'm about to see if he's up, so I can make him some breakfast. Alright, so fast forward. I'm dressed. I'm about to do some eggs. Alright, so it was a lot of people in the store, so recording was kind of like a little difficult, but not that difficult. Y'all can see all the stuff in his car. It's pretty much, he even got cookies in his hand. But y'all see all this stuff. Yeah, we're gonna catch y'all when we get to the house. And it's cold. So trying to record and all this other stuff, and you know what I mean, it's cold. But I do have to go one of these. I gotta fill out one of these applications, send it through, and go to one of these apartment complexes. Oh, y'all, like, truth be told, I really don't want to live down here. I ain't gonna lie. But is it gonna help me money-wise? Hell yeah. It definitely is. Anyways, we'll catch y'all when we get home.
But she's not funny.
I'm about to eat this. This sprouts. Tomato basil. Sunshine by Tamara. Slowly turning into that lifestyle of vegan. I haven't went over for the cheese yet, but I will be pretty soon. Y'all, this look crazy. Hold on. That look crazy. I hope this tastes good. I really hope this tastes good.
Nothing but a bomb in your house. I wanna put this pretty pink toes in your mouth. Set loose your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see the shit in person. We can't just be talking about it. I want you on the side. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride. Show me what's up. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. We can't just be talking about it. I want you on the side. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me what's outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
I think this is done though. Alright, so this is how we looking. Let me show y'all. About to plate it up. plate my food up. Get one more piece. I'm gonna take this off of the stove. I got my rice. I'm even starting to eat different portions too. Now it's like this look good, y'all. Look at that. I still gotta put some broccoli on there. Put some broccoli on there. I know I'm gonna get some young. All right, some broccoli has some cheese on it too. Look, that's what we finna do. Eat some of this. I'm gonna leave some broccoli for another time. Put my chicken in here. There we go. That's for that. Save this. Looks yummy. Finna go enjoy this. Let's try. That's mine. Do you want one?
Hey kids, just gather around. I want to know your other friends. I would love to meet them too.
It's pretty good. Eating vegan food by itself, you gotta get your taste buds used to it. So, I'm eating these as a snack. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't really like that chicken. I did not end the last vlog, so I came back to end this vlog so that you guys could not be mad at me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I pray that you guys have a blessed day, and that if you're watching this, that you guys give a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And also just comment down below on other videos you think you want to see from me. I do have some ideas, but I would love to hear your ideas. But nonetheless, talk to you guys later. Bye.